Find or read reviews that people are talking of Shkalacar chassis ears automotive electronic stethoscope. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that special electronic stethoscope. This automotive stethoscope kit is specially designed and developed for checking abnormal noise of car engine, abnormal noise of body, and abnormal noise of chassis and more. The host computer with integrated 6-channel signal receiver is used with 6 different sensors to detect abnormal noise during the driving of the car, synchronized with sound and light, which can easily identify the early problems of the car and facilitate car repair as soon as possible. Sensitivity adjustment. Chassis ears with indicator light sensitivity adjustment. Turn clockwise to increase sensitivity and rotate counterclockwise to reduce sensitivity. The range displayed by the indicator light changes with the adjustment of the sensitivity. Sound sensitivity adjustment. Turn clockwise to increase sensitivity. This is the range of adjusting the sensor's income tone. Abnormal sound indicator light. The automotive stethoscope consists of 3 colors: green, yellow, and red. The color changes are determined by the detected volume. The minimum volume is green and the maximum is red. The abnormal noise of the 6 channels can be shown at the same time through the 6 rows of indicator lights. By adjusting the light sensitivity knob, the indicator can be used to assist in judging the location of the anomalous noise. Main application. Mechanic's stethoscope with 6-channel car noise finder is a portable device that can be used to detect bearings, gears and suspension systems, and automatic transmission system. Detect abnormal sound of fuel injection system, abnormal sound of chassis system, abnormal noise under the hood, quickly find out the noise source and its location, accurately locate the fault, and other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.